Someone else catches her eye. Could this male's feet be even bluer and better than her partner's? His whistle display shows he's eager. With a honk of interest, her head's been turned. But now there's going to be trouble. That showed him. Our hero may have seen off his rival, but his relationship looks like it's on the rocks. Maybe a gift will help. A well-chosen stone? Not impressed. Perhaps a softer approach. That seems to have done the trick. And they pick up right where they left off. But on this island, temptation is never far away.